Is this the future of sports cars? A two-seater electric convertible that promises thrilling performance, jaw-dropping looks, and an affordable price tag. Welcome to the MG Cyberster MG's bold entry into the EV sports car world. In this video, we'll dive deep into what makes the Cyberster tick, explore its design, performance, and features. And by the end, you'll know if this electric dream car deserves a spot in your garage. Let's get started. Let's talk about the basics. The MG Cyberster is a two-seat electric convertible that's taking on giants like the upcoming Porsche Boxster EV and the Tesla Roadster. But here's the kicker, it does it at a fraction of their expected price. Starting at just 54,995 pounds, the base version delivers 335 horsepower and a 0 to 62 miles per hour time of 5.2 seconds. Need more power? The top-tier version offers 503 horsepower, hitting 62 miles per hour in just 3.2 seconds. But it's not all about speed. MG has designed this car to turn heads while keeping things practical. From the outside, the Cyberster looks stunning. Designed in Marylebone, London, it blends European elegance with a futuristic flair. Think Jaguar meets Porsche with a touch of Alpine. The proportions are long and low, giving it an F-type vibe. And those scissor doors? Pure drama. But they're not just for show, they're practical too, with built-in sensors to keep them from smacking into nearby objects. Step inside, and the Cyberster feels modern and luxurious. You're greeted by a triple-screen setup that's as functional as it is futuristic. The screens handle everything from car info to media controls, and the animations? Let's just say they're a bit extra, with fiery wheels in sport mode and electric pulses in comfort. You can even opt for a yoke-style steering wheel if you're feeling adventurous. Plus, the interior is surprisingly spacious for a two-seater with thoughtful storage options and a decent-sized trunk even with the roof down. So, how does it drive? Well, we tested the base model with rear-wheel drive and 335 horsepower, and it was an absolute delight. The ride is smooth and quiet, making it perfect for city cruising or long highway drives. In comfort mode, it's almost like a luxury cruiser, but switch to sport mode, and the Cyberster transforms. Sure, it's not as sharp as a traditional sports car, but it's quick, responsive, and most importantly, fun. Now let's talk about range and charging. The base model offers up to 316 miles of range with a 64 kWh battery, while the more powerful dual-motor version manages 276 miles with a larger 77 kWh battery. Real-world numbers are slightly lower, around 250 miles, but still impressive. And charging? The Cyberster supports rapid charging, so you can top up quickly and get back on the road. Would you pick the Cyberster over an ICE Boxster or even the upcoming EV competitors? That depends. The Cyberster isn't a razor-sharp sports car, it's more of a small grand tourer. If you crave steering feel and the roar of an engine, the Boxster might still be your choice. But if you're looking for something unique, eco-friendly, and downright cool, the Cyberster offers a compelling package. So, is the MG Cyberster the sports car of the future? It just might be. With its striking design, impressive performance, and accessible price, it's a bold step into the electric era. What do you think? Would you trade your traditional sports car for the Cyberster? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and check out our other reviews for more exciting EV content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Scene fades out with the car driving into the sunset.